Here we are. We got our own liquor store out here in P-Town. I love my Scots. Yep. This is what we got. We got all the good. We got all the heavyweights. Coke, Sprite. Yep. What we got in here? Pretzels, you know. We good with the pretzels. We got nothing down there. Here's the man behind the red vines.
Yep.
Apollo.
You already know.
What you doing?
Right now I'm counting up 20 of these because it's $1 for 20.
Explain to these hoes what we doing here.
Well, behind closed doors. J2 got the front and I got the back.
We helping out the Yin and Yang twins. This their game. Yep. So, yeah, we control this. See what we got? $2. Pizza. More pretzels. Which what I thought. Damn, it's still on. Alright.
Alright, I did.